सर ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिक होगी? ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिक होगी ना आज?
नो, सरकार की मर्जी है जो करें। तो कोर्ट में तो फाइल हो गई है।
फाइल इट इन द
कोर्ट से मिल जाएगा।
नहीं, हमने अभी तक इसको इंडोर्स नहीं किया है। तो आई डोंट वांट, मतलब ये इस पे तो मेरे ख्याल में ऑलरेडी तबसरे शुरू हो गए, कैसे हो गए, कैसे मिली है वो हमें नहीं पता।
वो ऑथेंटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है ना तब से।
ये तो कोर्ट में फाइलिंग है। आई डोंट, आर यू क्लेमिंग सीक्रेसी ऑफ दिस रिपोर्ट? इज दैट थिंग, नथिंग रियली हियर।
As far as no, there is the federal government has yet to.
But only when you adopt a report, then you can make it public. I mean, I don't know what your statement will be. You're adopting the report. If you're not adopting the report, making it public would be very strange. I mean,
So after the decision on adopting this report is taken, then the government may decide.
but देखें, ये आपकी तरफ कोताही है। आपको चाहिए था अब तक ये काम कर चुके होते।
हो जाना चाहिए था सर।
भाई कि what is your view on it? But you are the Attorney General at the moment. You're not the government of Pakistan. So what is the government
My
of Pakistan?
personal view, sir, as Attorney General, is that I don't find much substance in this report. So it is now for the federal government to see if there is any part of this report which they seek to adopt, which is actionable, on the basis of which an action can be taken, and then decide on the other parts also, and then disregard.
Then will come the related question of non-compliance with the judgment.
Yes.
Now,
So
please realize the consequences of that.
Yes, that part is there.
So, yeah, this is not part of a judgment.
Ji.
That is part of a judgment, which is no longer under review.
Ji.
So it has attained absolute finality. So that you have to be very clear how you want to proceed there
That's right.
on that. And
जी, वो clear
it's not an
directions है।
open-ended thing that we wait for another 9th May to happen.
जी नहीं sir.
If you had been vigilant enough and acted upon it, probably 9th May would not have happened.
और लेजिस्लेटिव पार्ट अभी तक आपके गवर्नमेंट से ओमिट हो रहा है। लेजिस्लेटिव पार्ट जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ने लेजिस्लेट करना था, उस दिन तो जवाब था कि जी रिव्यू पड़े हुए थे, रिव्यू लॉन्ग
वो भी नहीं था, unless the judgment was suspended, वो भी नहीं
तो कोई
था।
जवाब रहा नहीं।
हाँ जी, नहीं वो भी नहीं था। जजमेंट अगर सस्पेंड ना हुई हो रिव्यू में तो वो भी
क्या
नहीं।
लें,
चले फॉर द सेक ऑफ एक्सक्यूज अगर कहें कि जी ठीक है रिव्यू,
आज तो वो जवाब नहीं है,
वो भी नहीं है।
जजमेंट पार्ट का सबसे
Your predecessor,
My advice.
my lord is saying your predecessor had said that.
जी
Why they're not being acted upon, and your predecessor had said that it's under review.
With respect, that's
So
legally
we are,
correct position.
without going deeper into it, whether that was justifiable response or not, assuming it was, that
Now that excuse
that
is
is
not
gone
there
now.
either.
Huh?
Yeah, जी, वो भी excuse नहीं है sir.
Acha.
So I am going to, well, this is in public knowledge, but I am going to formally ask the federal government to initiate the process and place an official bill before the parliament.
इसमें लिखें pursuant to the judgment dated 6th February 2019, passed in SMC number 7 of 2017, the federal government had constituted a inquiry commission on
Sir, on 15th of November 2023, sir.
2023 and drafted terms of reference pursuant to, as mentioned in वो कोई नोटिफिकेशन होगी ना,
जी सर।
वो कहीं फाइल्ड है?
जी, it is sir, CMA 9659 sir,
With the following terms of reference,
and then an additional term
which were added to
जी, and
by notification dated so and so.
जी
ये दोनों notifications आप reproduce कर दें,
जी
full stop. A 3-member commission comprising of Mr. Tahir Alam Khan as member, ये retired हैं,
जी retired
Inspector General of Police, Mr. Khushal Khan as member, ये भी retired
so
हैं,
he's serving sir, he's an additional secretary
serving additional secretary.
जी
ये क्या पुलिस के हैं?
sir, PAS administrative service sir.
And Dr. Syed Akhtar Ali Shah as chairman, retired Inspector General of Police,
Retired Inspector General.
was constituted, and the commission, bracket mein karne commission, and the commission submitted its report on 6 March 2024, comprising of 149 pages,
Yes, sir.
together with its attachments contained in separate volumes. Kitni volumes hain?
Sir, 7 volumes which I have filed.
All together.
7. First volume is the report, and then 7 volumes are.
All together comprising of 8 volumes.
Yes, sir.
Has been submitted. Full stop. The learned Attorney General for Pakistan, AG कर दें, अब ऊपर AG कर दीजिएगा. Read out the terms of reference and the respective findings on each given by the Commission, as well as the recommendations, as well as the Commission's '(S) recommendations. As well as the conclusion, and the Commission's recommendations कर दें. Capital C कर दीजिए. Full stop. In our opinion, the report does not attend to the terms of reference, the set terms of reference. Full stop. Moreover, the Commission has ventured into areas which are not part of its terms of reference, and given terms of reference. Full stop. We also note that all were not treated similarly, and whereas the statement of some were recorded on oath, others were sent questionnaires. Full stop. Surprisingly, no member of TLP was called for and statement recorded. Full stop. The Commission somehow assumed and did so incorrectly that the right to protest or traveling to Islamabad to protest is prohibited by the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, even though the judgment had stated the opposite. Full stop. The Commission the Commission also did not consider many of the aspects of the judgment and the orders subsequently passed by this court. Full stop. The judgment had noted that the right to assemble and protest provided it is peaceful and complies with the law, imposing reasonable restrictions in the interest of public order cannot be limited or cannot be prescribed. Full stop. We also note, it is also disappointing to note the unnecessary emphasis, the element of provincialism which has crept into the report, and castigating those at the political helm of affairs at the relevant time, whilst disregarding the perpetrators of violence. Full stop. However, the learned Attorney General states, we inquired from learned Attorney General whether the government of Pakistan endorses the said report and or does so in parts, and he stated that he will be filing a formal statement in this regard. Full stop. He however expressed that his opinion as Attorney General, as AG, was that, whatever your words are,
There's not much substance which I've found in the report, so.
that the report lacks substance. Did it carry out the terms of reference or not?
By and large, no, sir.
And that by and large, the terms of reference referred to the commission were not undertaken,
Not.
were not attended to. Anything else you want to say?
I think for now,
Let the learned AG file a response on behalf of the government of Pakistan to the said report.
right.
ये इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट डाली हुई है, वो हम, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई डिडंट गेट टाइम टू रीड इट.
I also,
कोई है उनकी तरफ से? हाँ
जी सर,
उसमें आज तो अब देर हो गई काफी, वो आप हमें सीधा चीजें बता दीजिएगा.
जी सर.
अगर हम जरूरत पड़े तो देख लेंगे उनको. ठीक है,
इसमें सर जो
इसमें लिख देते हैं, इसमें लिखिए, नेक्स्ट लिखें, द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज फाइल्ड इट्स रिपोर्ट अंडर सील्ड कवर. ये सील्ड है ना, मैंने खोली भी नहीं अभी तक. थ्रू CMA नंबर 246-2024. तो जो उसमें एक और लिख दीजिए, द फेडरल गवर्नमेंट शुड ऑल्सो स्टेट, ऊपर में, वेदर इट वांट्स टू मेक पब्लिक द रिपोर्ट और नॉट. हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू टेक?
my lord, 2 weeks.
अच्छा, नीडफुल बी डन विद इन 2 weeks. और कोई चीज तो नहीं थी?
That was all for today, I suppose.
हाँ,
आज के लिए तो यही था सर.
ये किसकी तरफ से?
ये सर हमारे मेरे साथ.
अच्छा, आप तो इन्हीं के साथ हैं. ठीक, कुछ और है क्या? नहीं, मजीद?
नहीं
जी?
नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना. मैं इस पे मुतमईन हूँ जो आपने ऑर्डर लिखवाया है, लेकिन रिपोर्ट जाहिर है इस काबिल नहीं
देखें,
है कि
ये पता नहीं क्या करते हैं हमारे, हो सकता है ये हमें परसुएड अदरवाइज कर लें कि हाँ, एक बात रह गई.
खुद ही नहीं परसुएशन.
Let a copy of this order be sent to the commission members through the government of Pakistan. हमें नहीं पता वो कहाँ हैं, who may respond to the initial observations made. ठीक है?
And respond to any
in
queries.
writing,
Yes.
और कुछ
and or may also be present if they elect to do so.
उसमें कुछ फैक्चुअल मिस्टेक्स भी हैं.
नहीं, वो अब बस ठीक है, अभी हम एक एक चीज में जाएंगे तो वो कई दिन लग जाएंगे, तो हो सकता है वो हमें परसुएट कर लें. बहुत अच्छी रिपोर्ट है. We go with an open mind, but initial observations are there. So let the order go, let them respond, or they want to come and address either or both.